Hey guys, I was at Costco today. It looks like they have the KidKraft My Own City activity table for $129. They have other versions of the My Kid city tables or other activity tables online as well. I'll leave the link below. But this is a pretty awesome kit. The reason why is because it has all the fun transportation and vehicle stuff of a city put on a nice activity table that actually is reversible and it's also easy to assemble, which is pretty cool. This one has about 120 pieces and also it has a reversible whiteboard on the other side, so you can actually put all these pieces away in the storage bins, flip it around, and it becomes an activity table. It also acts as a 3D play set. If you think about it, you could play on any of these sides, 360 degrees, along with like a lot of the transportation stuff of a city and a port city. It even has its own hospital and stuff, and little cars and vehicles that go along with it. Of course, the buildings are actually faux pop-up buildings, and they're made of like a paper, laminate paper, cardboard material. And all the other stuff are actually wooden blocks, which is pretty nice too. And they're all collapsible and stuff, so you actually put all this stuff away into those bins. Very cute little details and stuff. I think these are really nice. They actually have some Lego-like structure on one of the sides too. So I guess if you want, it's probably not Lego, but if you want to play like a bulldozer and move those things around, that would be awesome as well. They even have a taxi and a garage and gas station, which I thought was pretty cute. They have tracks going everywhere. You even have an airport, which is pretty nice as well. I like how everything is built like that. In fact, you get to assemble this and be able to create and build the stuff. They have a port and a truck system as well. And this is pretty neat. I really like these miniature play sets. I know this is meant for 3-year-olds and above, but it's still pretty cool to actually see this, all this detail, and probably to play with the kids and stuff like that, and just a miniaturized version of this. Anyways, it's pretty cool. I really do like these little models and miniature play sets and stuff. I plan to probably get to this for my nieces and nephews for their Christmas gift, because basically they're about 3-year-olds now, and it might be a very good gift for them. So anywho, long story short, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more notifications on Costco fun stuff I find, and see you next time.